Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to repair Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. The method we are going to be using in this video will only work if you are using a version higher than 1709. Right, to start off with, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click. You now need to go up to Apps and Features. And once Apps and Features has loaded, you now need to scroll all the way down until you find Microsoft Edge. And you now need to click on Microsoft Edge. And you now need to click on Advanced Options, and you now need to scroll all the way down again until you find Terminate. You now need to click Terminate, and this is going to terminate the app. And once you have done this, we now need to click on Repair. Don't worry, this will not affect any of your data in Microsoft Edge. This is only going to do a repair. So the reason you would do this is if you're having any glitches or, well, basically any problems you are having with Microsoft Edge, this is going to repair or try and repair those problems. And that is it. As you can see, I now have a nice tick next to repair, which means it has worked absolutely fine. If you are still having problems with Microsoft Edge, then I do recommend you scroll down and go through your add-ons and just uninstall any add-ons you do not use, as they might be causing you the issues with Microsoft Edge. If that fails as well, then I do recommend you click on Reset and press Reset again. This will clear all your data on Microsoft Edge, and once you have done that, now click on Repair again and it will do another repair on Microsoft Edge. Once that has all finished, try and restart your computer, then launch Microsoft Edge again. And that is it for this video. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.